The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce made progress last year on the National Manufacturing 5-Year Growth Strategy. A new Patents and Designs Act was brought into operation on February 11, 2022, repealing the Patent Act of Jamaica of 1857 and the Designs Act of 1937. The Companies Office of Jamaica during the year saw an increase in the registration of business names and companies and the use of its electronic business registration system. The ministry supported the manufacturing sector with productive input relief, such as duty-free importation on material goods and equipment for manufacturing processes. Jamaica's logistics industry gained momentum last year with the opening of the Kingston Logistics Park, KLP. Micro, small and medium-sized enterprises (MSMEs) benefited from several business support initiatives from the Jamaica Business Development Corporation (JBDC), the Companies Office of Jamaica (COJ), and the Exim Bank. $13 billion was provided for the fiscal year in affordable loans and credit to enhance performance of MSMEs. There was also the provision of grant support totaling $50 million for approximately 200 micro and small enterprises in 8 marginalized communities. MSMEs received assistance in business digitization and training in business development, financial management, marketing, and sales.
Enterprise will replace unemployment.
Another significant milestone for the ministry in 2022 was the launch of the Jamaica Business Development Corporation (JBDC's) 2,400 square feet essential oils incubator.
It's another firm indication of the government's push to develop the value chain in agriculture and to strengthen our non-traditional industries.
Successful trade missions were executed in and out of the island, involving countries such as Trinidad and Tobago and Guyana. 2022 was the year of standards, as the ministry and several of its agencies were accredited to major global service delivery standards. The Jamaica National Agency for Accreditation (JANAC) in 2022 received the United States of America Food and Drug Administration's third-party accreditation to conduct food safety audits and certify foreign food facilities.
This means JANAC is one of 4 accreditation bodies in the world recognized by the FDA in the accredited third-party certification program and the only ABE with a scope of 10 approvals.
During 2022, 4 additional laboratories at the Bureau of Standards Jamaica (BSJ) were accredited to international standards by JANAC. The Consumer Affairs Commission (CAC) secured $31.7 million in compensation on behalf of aggrieved customers for the period April to November 2022. Chief Executive Officer of the CAC, Dulcie Allen, says the agency handled 1,029 complaints, of which 701 were resolved, giving the agency a 68.2% resolution rate. These were just some of the ways the ministry continued to foster an enabling environment in 2022 for growth in industry, investment and commerce through the facilitation of resilient enterprise, manufacturing and exports.